This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You've installed the app and given it camera and storage access. Now start scanning. First, open Microsoft Lens and pick the correct mode for your subject: document for text, whiteboard for notes, business card for contacts. Once done, hold your device steady and align the item with the on-screen frame. Lens shows crop guides and will auto-detect edges. Tap the shutter or use the volume button to capture. Make sure lighting is even so Lens can read text clearly and reduce shadows. Once you capture an image, refine it. Adjust corners, rotate, and apply filters like color or grayscale to boost contrast. You can select auto for quick fixes or manually tweak brightness and sharpness when detail matters. After editing, tap Done and pick an output. Save as PDF for documents, Word to keep editable text, or send to OneDrive. Choosing Word triggers Lens's OCR so you can edit recognized text. Make sure to check extracted text for misreads before sharing or archiving. Finish by exporting and organizing your scan. Pick Save, then choose Local Storage or OneDrive, or share directly to Mail or Teams. Name files clearly and place them in folders or OneNote sections so you can find them later. If you expect heavy OCR, export to Word to preserve formatting. If scanning problems occur, try one troubleshooting tip. Retake the shot with stronger, even lighting and a plain background. If text still reads poorly, increase contrast or use the whiteboard filter to improve recognition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.